A very crisp, beautiful winter's morning. Big camper. It's a very crisp day this morning. The water's flowing a bit. Very nice. God, the sun's strong. It's still not burnt off the all the frost off the ground. Right. Very frosty, or very cornflakey. Lovely. Oh, hello. Right, just got back from the post office. I've just been down to buy a tyre inflator, air compressor, whatever you call it. Sick and tired of spending like 20-30 quid or whatever on these tyre inflators. They last a couple of times and they pack up. So I spent a bit more money, quite a bit more money. So I thought I'll have a look, see what you get out of the box. This is what it is. Let me just show you and I'll turn you around. So that's what it is. It's a ring air compressor, 12 volt, heavy duty, fast inflation, professional. So apparently that's what it is. Apparently the RAC use them. Don't know how true that is. It's probably just a load of hype in it. It comes in this this bag. Quite a nice little bag. Open it up. Under the top compartment, in there you've got your metal air compressor. There's your pipe. This one you attach, because of the amount of amps it draws, you attach it straight to your battery, because obviously your cigarette lighter ones, they can't draw a lot of amps, they're not very powerful. There's your ring quick start guide. No one reads that, chuck that away. So yeah, it's just basically the compressor in there. What we've got in here we have got big long air hose with the gauge there and proper setup. Look, proper brass fittings there. So hopefully that'll do a lot better for the van, because like the van tyres, apparently they're 50 on the front and 70 on the back. That's obviously if you're carrying, oh there you are, that's obviously if you're carrying goods and all that. But when I had a valve done recently on the tyre, they just said we'd do 50 all round. So I've got to give it a go, because around the other side, there, the van, got a bit of a deflation situation going on. Look at that. So let's give it a go, see how we get on. Right, so I've got it working. So I've got it attached to my batteries under there. It's a reasonably, probably 2 metre long power lead to the compressor, and then that lead was a bit of a bugger to get together. I suppose it's got to be tight. So you've got plenty of room on this to get round the van, and then that's attached to there. So I'm probably going to put about £50 in that. It's down to about 30. So we'll see how it goes. Seems to be doing all right. So tyre inflator. Well, what can I say about it? It's absolutely awesome. It was really good. Not much of a review, but you know, I actually needed to put 30 psi into the tyre, and it did it in under a minute and a half, which was pretty good going. About a minute and a quarter. So it is a Ring. I'll get all the specs, hang on. It's a Ring RAC900, 23 amp, 280 watts, 100 psi maximum. The power cable length is 2.4 meters. The airline length is 7 meters extended, and the flow rate is 55 litres a minute. So yeah, it does vans, minibuses, 4x4s. So it's a pretty hefty bit of kit. Yeah, as used by UK leading breakdown professionals. Brass connectors. It's got a deflator valve as well if you want to deflate the tyres. Large gradient gauge. And it comes in that bag. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. It's an awesome bit of kit. It's a lot of money. But these are hefty tyres on these vans, aren't they? You go and buy a little 20 quid one out of Argos, and you know, some of them do the job. I just thought I'd like to have a piece. It's another piece of kit I want with me if I'm out and about travelling, you know. So yeah, definitely a decent piece of kit. It's worth having. You get 2-year guarantee with it. I bought it from Amazon. And it won the motorhome, I think it was Motorhome Best Buy, don't know when. And it's professional. Well, you know, you can spend 300 quid on these things for a professional one. It's not really professional, is it? But it's a pretty powerful bit of kit. You could use it as well for inflating, like those of you that have got the kayaks. You could use it to inflate the kayaks as well. You know, so it's definitely a decent bit of kit. So the next thing coming in the next video, this is just a short video about the pump. Coming in the next video will be about a battery charger, a mains battery charger that I've purchased for the van. So keep an eye out for that one. It's a little interesting for those of you that are in the market for a battery charger. I looked at all sorts of battery chargers. Settled on one in the end because I got a bit of a deal. But stay tuned. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Just a little video, show you what I bought that might be useful to people. See you next time. Ta-da.